Getting help at the grocery store. Excuse me, these apples look very fresh.
Yes, they came this morning.
That is good to know.
Do you need help finding something?
Yes, I need bread and milk.
The bread is in aisle 4.
Aisle 4. Is it near the fruit?
Yes, it is just behind the fruit section.
Great. And where is the milk?
The milk is at the back of the store.
Is the cold milk available today?
Yes, all the milk is cold today.
Perfect. I need 2 bottles.
Large bottles or small bottles?
Large bottles, please.
Good choice for a family.
I also need white rice.
The rice is in aisle 2.
Is aisle 2 far from here?
No, just turn left after the vegetables.
Thank you. That is easy.
Do you have a basket?
No, my hands are full.
Here is a basket for you.
Thank you. That helps a lot.
You're welcome.
I also need tea.
Tea is near the coffee shelf.
Which aisle is that?
Aisle 3.
Great. I will go there now.
The checkout line is short today.
That is perfect. I'm in a hurry.
Take your time and shop safely.
Thank you for being so helpful.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Buying tickets at the museum. Wow, this museum looks bigger than I expected.
Welcome to the museum.
Thank you. I want to buy 1 ticket.
Of course. 1 adult ticket?
Yes, 1 adult ticket, please.
That will be $15.
Do you have a student discount?
Yes, student tickets are $10.
I am a student.
May I see your student card?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. This is fine.
Here is $20.
Thank you. Here is your ticket and change.
Thank you. Do you have a museum map?
Yes, here is a free map.
What should I see first?
The first floor has old paintings.
That sounds nice.
The second floor has sculptures.
Where is modern art?
Modern art is on the 3rd floor.
I like modern art.
Then start on the 3rd floor.
Can I take photos inside?
Yes, but please do not use flash.
Okay, no flash.
The bright light can hurt the art.
Carissus, is there a guided tour today?
Yes, the next tour starts in 10 minutes.
Where does the group meet?
Near the front door.
Good. I will join the tour.
That is a good idea.
What time does the museum close?
It closes at 5 o'clock.
Great. I have enough time.
Enjoy your visit.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Meeting an old friend in the city. Wait, is that really you, Sarah?
I cannot believe it.
It has been such a long time.
Yes, many years.
What are you doing in this city?
I live here now.
Really? I moved here last month.
That is a big surprise.
Where do you live?
I live near Central Park.
That is not far from my office.
Do you work nearby?
Yes, I work at a bank.
That sounds like a good job.
It is busy, but I like it.
Are you still playing guitar?
Only sometimes now.
I remember your old band.
We were very loud.
Yes, but you were fun.
How is your family?
Everyone is doing well.
I am happy to hear that.
Where are you going now?
I am going to buy groceries.
I am going that way too.
Do you have time for coffee?
Yes, I have time.
There is a nice cafe nearby.
The one with the green door?
Yes, that one.
I love that cafe.
Let us sit and talk.
We have so much to talk about.
I'm really glad we met today.
Me too. This is a wonderful surprise.
Forgot my bus pass. Oh no, my bus pass is not in my bag.
Are you sure?
I checked all the pockets.
Check the side pocket too.
I already checked there.
Do not worry. The bus is not here yet.
I think I left it at home.
Do you have cash?
Let me check my wallet.
The bus ticket is $2.
I only have a big bill.
The driver may not take that.
This is a bad morning.
I can help you today.
Really? Are you sure?
Yes, I have extra coins.
I feel bad taking your money.
It is okay. It is only $2.
Thank you so much.
You can help someone else one day.
I will pay you back tomorrow.
That is fine.
Do you take this bus every day?
Yes, every morning.
Me too. I've seen you before.
Yes, I remember you.
My name is John.
Nice to meet you, John. I'm Mary.
Thank you for saving me today.
No problem at all.
Look, the bus is coming now.
Here are the coins.
I'll put them in the machine.
Hold the rail when you get on.
I will. Thank you again.
See you tomorrow, John.
Choosing a train to Los Angeles. I need to reach Los Angeles today, but I do not know the best way.
I can help you with that.
Thank you. Is the train faster than the bus?
Yes, the train is faster.
How long does the train take?
It takes about 3 hours.
That is not too bad.
The bus takes about 5 hours.
5 hours is too long for me.
Then the train is better today.
How much is the train ticket?
It is $45.
And the bus ticket?
The bus ticket is $20.
The bus is cheaper, but too slow.
Yes, because traffic is heavy today.
Okay, I will take the train.
Good choice.
When does the next train leave?
Let me check the screen.
I hope it is soon.
The next train leaves at 1 o'clock.
Perfect. It is 12:30 now.
You have 30 minutes.
Where can I buy the ticket?
At the ticket window over there.
The window near the red sign?
Yes, that is correct.
Do they accept credit cards?
Yes, they accept cards and cash.
Good. I also need water.
There is a small shop near the platform.
Great. Which platform do I need?
Platform 4.
Platform 4. I will remember.
The doors close 5 minutes early.
Thank you for all your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
My coffee smells nice, but it is cold.
I am sorry about that.
I ordered hot coffee.
Yes, you are right.
I do not want to complain too much.
It is okay. We will fix it.
Thank you.
Would you like a fresh cup?
Yes, please.
Same coffee, same size?
Yes, the same coffee.
Sorry for the mistake.
No problem. It happens.
Please wait 2 minutes.
Sure.
Would you like to keep this cup?
No, thank you.
I will take it back.
Okay.
Here is your fresh hot coffee.
This one is hot.
Good.
Thank you for changing it.
You are welcome.
Is there sugar on the counter?
Yes, it is near the napkins.
Great.
Enjoy your coffee.
I will. Have a good day.
You too.
Asking for a quiet room. I paid for a quiet room, but this one is too loud.
I am sorry to hear that, sir.
There is noise from the street.
What room are you in?
I am in room 208.
Thank you. Let me check.
I have a meeting early tomorrow.
I understand. You need proper sleep.
Yes, I am already very tired.
We have another room on the 5th floor.
Is it away from the road?
Yes, it faces the garden.
That sounds much better.
I can move you there now.
Is there any extra charge?
No, there is no extra charge.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
We are sorry for the trouble.
It is okay. I just need a quiet room.
I will make a new key card.
What is the new room number?
It is room 512.
Room 512. Okay.
Do you need help with your luggage?
Yes, please. I have 2 bags.
I will send someone now.
That is very helpful.
Please wait in your room for 5 minutes.
I will.
The new room should be peaceful.
I hope I can sleep well.
I hope so too.
Thank you for solving this.
You are welcome.
The taxi is waiting, but my suitcase is still upstairs.
Do not worry. I can help you.
Thank you. I need to go to the airport.
What time is your flight?
My flight is at 11.
And what time is it now?
It is 8:45.
You still have time.
I do not want to be late.
I understand.
My suitcase is in room 304.
Do you have your key card?
Yes, here it is.
I will call a bellboy.
Thank you.
He will bring your suitcase down.
How long will it take?
About 5 minutes.
That is okay.
Is the taxi at the main entrance?
Yes, it is outside.
I will ask the driver to wait.
That helps me a lot.
No problem.
Do I need to pay here?
No, pay the driver directly.
Okay, good.
Here comes your suitcase.
Great. Thank you.
Let me help you put it in the taxi.
You are very kind.
Have a safe flight.
Thank you. Goodbye.
I came for breakfast, but I do not know what is included.
No problem. I can explain it.
Thank you.
Breakfast is included with your room.
That is good.
You can take fruit, bread, cereal, and juice.
Do you have eggs?
Yes, we can make eggs for you.
I would like scrambled eggs.
Of course.
Can I sit near the window?
Yes, that table is free.
The view looks beautiful.
Many guests like that table.
Do you have tea?
Yes, black tea and green tea.
Thinking. Green tea, please.
Would you like sugar?
Just a little sugar.
No problem.
Where can I get fruit?
Fruit is on the table near the wall.
I will take a banana.
The bananas are fresh today.
Great, thank you.
I will bring your eggs soon.
I will wait here.
Here are your eggs and tea.
Thank you. This looks delicious.
Enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome.
My clothes are inside, but the machine is not starting.
Let me check it for you.
I already put in the coins.
How many coins did you put in?
I put 4 coins.
Did the screen turn on?
No, nothing happened.
I am sorry about that.
Can I get my coins back?
Yes, of course.
Thank you.
This machine may be broken.
What should I do with my clothes?
You can use the machine next to it.
Does that one work?
Yes, it is working well.
Okay. Can you help me start it?
Yes, no problem.
I will move my clothes now.
Good. Put them in this machine.
Like this?
Yes, that is right.
Can I use this soap?
Use 1 small cup.
Okay, thank you.
Now press this button.
It is working now.
Great.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. I think I left my shopping bag in the taxi.
I can help you check.
I got out here 10 minutes ago.
Do you remember the taxi number?
I took a photo of the plate.
That is very helpful.
Here it is.
Thank you. Let me call the driver.
I hope the bag is still there.
We will try our best.
It has a gift inside.
I understand. Is it an expensive gift?
Not expensive, but it is important.
I understand.
Did the driver answer?
Yes, he found your bag.
Really? That is wonderful.
He can bring it back here.
Thank you so much.
It may take 15 minutes.
I can wait.
Please stay near this desk.
Okay.
The driver is here now.
I see my bag.
Please check everything inside.
Everything is here.
That is good.
Thank you for helping me.
You are welcome. Please be careful next time.
I will. Have a good day.
You too. I need a table away from the door, please.
Of course. Is this table too cold?
Yes, Cold air comes in when the door opens.
I am sorry about that.
It is okay. I just feel cold.
We have a table near the wall.
Is it quieter too?
Yes, it is quieter.
That sounds perfect.
Please follow me.
Thank you.
Is this table better?
Yes, much better.
Great. Here is the menu.
What is the soup today?
Tomato soup with fresh bread.
That sounds nice.
Would you like to order it?
Yes, please.
Anything to drink?
Just warm water, please.
Of course.
Thank you for changing the table.
No problem at all.
I feel more comfortable now.
I am glad to hear that.
My card was charged, but I did not get a ticket.
I am sorry. Let me check it.
The machine took the payment.
Did the machine print anything?
No, nothing came out.
Do you have the payment message?
Yes, I have it on my phone.
Thank you. Let me see.
Okay.
Yes, the payment went through.
So, can I get my ticket?
Yes, I can print it here.
Thank you.
What destination did you choose?
East Town, please.
And one adult ticket.
Yes, one adult ticket.
Okay, I am printing it now.
I was worried I would pay twice.
You do not need to pay again.
That is good.
Here is your ticket.
Thank you. Is this for today?
Yes, it is for today.
Which platform?
Platform 3.
Thank you for helping quickly.
You are welcome. Safe journey.
I need a SIM card today, but I do not understand the plans.
No problem. I can explain them.
Thank you.
Do you need more calls or more internet?
Mostly internet.
Then this monthly plan is good.
How much is it?
It is $15 per month.
That sounds fine.
It includes calls and internet.
Is the internet fast?
Yes, it is good for daily use.
Great.
May I see your ID?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you.
Will the SIM start today?
Yes, it will start in 10 minutes.
That is perfect.
I will put it in your phone.
Thank you.
Please restart your phone once.
Okay, I will do that.
Now it is working.
I can see the signal.
Good.
Could I recharge it online?
Yes, you can recharge anytime.
Thank you for explaining.
You're welcome.
This train ticket has the wrong date.
Let me see it, please.
I think I bought tomorrow's ticket,
Yes, this ticket is for tomorrow.
but I need to travel today.
Do not worry, we can check the options.
Hopefully I can change it.
Let me check the system.
Thank you.
There is a train today at 4 o'clock,
That is good.
but there is a small change fee.
How much is the fee?
It is $5.
That is fine.
Do you want to change the ticket now?
Yes, please.
I am changing it now.
Thank you.
Your new ticket is ready.
Thank you so much.
Your train leaves from platform 2.
Platform 2. Okay.
Please be there 15 minutes early.
I will.
Do you have any luggage?
Just one small bag.
That will be easy.
Thank you for fixing my mistake.
You are welcome. Have a safe journey.